10 tips to break weight loss plateau on a keto diet. The keto diet is often known for helping with weight and fat loss, along with many other associated health benefits. This is achieved from an eating pattern of a high-fat, low-carbohydrate, and moderate protein diet. Although many dieters experience rapid weight loss shortly after starting this diet, it is also common for your weight to plateau. In this video, we will discuss 10 tips to break weight loss plateau on a keto diet. What is a weight loss plateau? A weight loss plateau occurs when you hit a point during your diet progress where you start to lose weight more slowly, weight staying the same, or even find yourself gaining weight. Weight loss plateau can be experienced immediately, weeks or months after starting a keto diet, or from week to week. There are many different factors that can contribute to a weight loss plateau, and it is normal to feel discouraged and not know what to do. The last mistake you want to make is to give up all your hard work and determination. It is therefore important to understand what are the different factors causing a weight loss plateau. The good news is once you are aware of the different reasons in this video, you can make appropriate changes to break the weight loss plateau. 1. Track calories and macronutrients on your meal intake. Even though you may feel like you are not overeating since you are on a diet, especially following a keto diet which promotes high-fat foods that tend to be more filling and suppress your hunger, there could be scenarios where you are not eating enough fat or eating too many carbs or protein without you realizing. All these play an important role that affects whether your body is in ketosis, which is crucial for promoting weight and fat loss. For example, there can be many hidden carbs found across the foods and beverages you consume without being aware, such as seasonings, condiments, processed meats, and starchy vegetables. Consuming a few extra carbs across meals can quickly add up that may prevent your body from entering ketosis. Therefore, tracking your calories and macronutrients can keep you accountable for making sure you are aware of any hidden macronutrients you might not realize, and provides accurate information to find out what macro intake is going against your keto diet allowance, so you can make modifications where necessary. Although tracking your macronutrients may sound like a troublesome task, however, there are also many available apps or food trackers that can help you easily track your calories and macronutrients efficiently. 2. Increase your exercise activity and intensity levels. One of the reasons you are experiencing weight loss plateau is associated to your body's metabolism rate. Although weight loss results can be more significant in the early phases of adopting the keto diet correctly, weight loss may become more difficult over time when the body's metabolism is slowing down. To overcome the effects of metabolic slowdown, you should not only rely on following a diet alone, but incorporating more frequent exercise activity and intensity levels would be beneficial to not only accelerate weight loss, but also promotes many other health benefits for your body. Not only do frequent exercising helps to promote calorie burn, retention or increasing muscle mass can also contribute to the calories you burn. Therefore, introducing different types of higher intensity exercises, such as high-intensity interval training and strength resistance training, are great options that can help increase your metabolic rate and burn calories to support with your continuous weight loss progress. 3. Increase your protein intake. Studies have shown that protein increases higher metabolic rate compared to either fats or carbs, and digestion of protein increases calorie burning by 20–30%. Which is more than twice as much as fats or carbs. The reason is associated to the thermic effect of food, or increase in metabolism that occurs due to the digestion of food. Therefore, increasing protein goes well together with higher intensity level of workouts to increase your metabolism, supporting weight and fat loss. And having sufficient protein also helps to retain or increase muscle mass. Speak with your dietitian if increasing your protein intake is suitable for you, and make adjustments to the total ratio of your macronutrients to accommodate for higher protein levels. 4. Consume your total protein intake throughout the day. It is important to understand your total daily protein intake allowance, and not overconsume that may disrupt your total daily caloric allowance. However, it can also be beneficial to time your protein consumption throughout the day. That can aid with weight loss plateau, as digestion of protein has a higher thermic effect for calorie burning and metabolism than carbs and fats due to the thermic effect of food. Spreading the timing of protein consumption may help to support readily calorie burning throughout the day, Studies have also shown that consuming proteins across each meal is beneficial for weight loss and retention of muscle mass. 5. Manage your stress levels. Having high levels of stress generally triggers different negative impacts to your body, and it can also affect your weight loss progress. Not only do stress tend to trigger the urge for comfort eating or food cravings, that could cause overeating or turning to unhealthy foods. Increased stress levels also produce higher levels of cortisol in your body. Cortisol is a hormone that helps your body to manage in response to stress. However, elevated levels of cortisol may also cause weight gain, with increasing belly fat storage. Although having stress coming from different directions is a part of life, always keep in mind during times of stress to dedicate time for rest and adopt different approaches to relieve stress, such as meditation or yoga, or spending less time on electronic devices. 6. Introduce intermittent fasting. Many people introduce intermittent fasting together with the keto diet in order to speed up weight and fat loss. Intermittent fasting involves a continuous cycle of having all your meals within a certain time frame, followed by fasting over a given period. For example, the 16-8 diet schedule involves eating only during an 8-hour window, followed by fasting for the remaining 16 hours. There are different schedules and approaches you can follow to suit your lifestyle. The goal all comes down to forcing your body to burn all the glycogen stored in your muscles and liver, and your body will switch to using fat as energy when glucose has run out. The intermittent fasting is therefore another great diet practice to promote loss of body weight and fat along with many other health benefits. If you are still going through the journey of getting used to the keto diet, introducing intermittent fasting may likely be overwhelming and stressful to both physical and mental health, as fasting itself requires high level of discipline and could increase levels of stress if you are not yet used to. And we understand having high levels of stress will lead to disrupting hormones and negatively impacting fat burning. Therefore, it is recommended to first start and get your body adapted to either the keto diet or intermittent fasting instead of both at the same time. Only when your body gets used to one diet, you can introduce the other, especially when hitting a weight loss plateau. It is worth noting no one diet is more effective than another, because when executed properly, either diet will result in ketosis, and both diets tend to complement each other well to maximize weight and fat loss. If your lifestyle comes from a regular higher carb diet, throughout breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the keto diet can arguably be a more suitable diet to first getting involved in a highly disciplined fasting habit with intermittent fasting. 7. Getting enough sleep. Getting enough hours of quality sleep is essential for your overall mental, physical, and emotional health. Insufficient hours of sleep can result in lower energy levels, which affects physical activities during weight loss progress, such as not having the strength or mental motivation to accommodate required workout intensity. Sleep deprivation can also result in lowering your metabolic rate and altering hormone levels to drive appetite and fat storage. It is recommended that having 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night can help to support weight loss and benefiting overall health. 8. Drink green tea, coffee, and water. Instead of opting for sugary drinks, being diligent to consume beverages that aids with weight and fat loss can help with weight loss plateau. Green tea, coffee, and water are few beverages that are not only relatively low in calories, but also increases metabolic rate to assist with weight loss. Caffeine in coffee and an antioxidant, known as EGCG in green tea, are also found to boost fat burning, which can further complement the keto diet for weight and fat loss. 9. Understand what is your diet goal and measure correctly. Many people do not realize their goals when it comes to adopting the diet, as many tend to focus only on weight loss. However, the keto diet is also focused on targeting fat loss. Getting on a weight scale daily to keep track of your weight does not reflect accurately on your keto diet progress, and should not be solely measuring only on body weight. You might be maintaining a stable weight, however you are actually building more muscle mass and losing fat in the progress. Your weight can also fluctuate from water weight based on your dietary choices and fluid intake. Therefore, be sure to also track your fat percentage and how you feel your clothing fits over time as additional measurements of your keto diet progress and as motivation when weight seems to have plateaued. 10. You are following a diet plan that is not customized to your body and lifestyle. Having the correct calories and macronutrients play an important role to make or break of your keto diet success. One of the main reasons you are not seeing the expected progress from following a keto diet over time is because many tend to follow a generic keto diet meal plan suggested by a crowd that could work for some people, but not for everyone. It is important to realize when on the keto diet, the ketosis process in the body of every individual behaves differently based on multiple factors, such as food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight, and target weight goals. Therefore, instead of following a crowd suggesting what to eat on a keto diet, having a professional keto diet custom meal plan that is tailored to your body measurements and goals will guide your meal plans with the correct calories and macronutrients to maximize your health and weight loss benefits. As a result, no time is wasted on constant trial and error, delaying your weight and fat loss progress. It is also important to have customized keto diet meal plans based on your personal food preferences, so your diet is enjoyable and maximize the likelihood of sticking to the keto diet to experience the positive weight and fat loss and other health benefits a keto diet has to offer. Find out more information in the description below. How are you doing on your journey with your keto diet? Share with us in the comments section. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Be sure to also check out some of our other videos as well. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.